Greetings everyone. Good morning. My name is Ark Gabriel and I'm here right now in Baratok Nuevo National Competitive High School, and I will show you some of my favorite places here, and let's go guys. So here we again guys. So let's see, we are sitting just relaxing sitting here in the and let's see, you can see that we are here in automotive servicing. Let's see guys, let's go and let's see what's going on here. Okay,
Alright.
so we are here in the BNNCHS automotive servicing NCI. Go, let's check out the car in the motor. Wow, this car is amazing. I like the color of the black, and the effect on the car is very amazing guys. You can see that. Wow, and I don't know what the car called this is, but this is cool. This is very good car. Oh, you can see, we are here in the oval of Baratok Nuevo National Competitive High School. You can see that there are many children playing there in the background. And there we go again. They are practicing some games, volleyball. You can see that the ball is bounced to one another. So right now, here we go again guys in the STE Council. We just chilling around. Let's see some nice places view here. You can see that there's a nice place. Oh, the grass and plants are beautiful. They are goods, and I just see plant is very good and flat, and we are just.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
Ilagay ko man lang din sa vlog ko. Namumuson ako. Paano mo?
Andito po ako ma'am sa Baratok sa BNNCH, at ito po ang aking vlog. At maganda po yung bukid. Sige, cut. Thank you everyone. This is assignment in science. Yeah.
Thank you everyone for watching, and this is our assignment in science.
Ulit, take two.